Qosifire web service allows monitoring HLS streams availability and consistency. We see a lot of cases when HLS stream has different timestamps for audio and video samples. This brings the inconsistency in delivered content and may break the playback for end users. So one of HLS quality monitoring features of Qosifire is real-time tracking and debugging of audio and video timestamps. We've added an HLS stream to show how it works. Go to Streams list and click on Stream Details. Scroll down to Float section to see what chunk lists are being downloaded. If you have several renditions, you can filter the output of the flow by selecting what substream you need. Every downloaded chunk has its extended information. You can either click on each individual chunk to see those details or use a switch called Details to show details of all chunks. On the right side of the chunk details, you can see its size and the time which your Qosifire agent spent downloading it. The main part is a set of timestamps. First line shows timestamps of the first and the last samples of video DTS. The second line shows timestamps of the first and the last samples of video PTS. The third line shows timestamps of the first and the last samples for audio PTS. The fourth line shows the delta, the modulus of the difference between the last samples of video PTS and audio PTS. Typically, if this delta is less than half a second, it should not affect the playback. If the delta is between half of a second and 1 second, this is still handled by most players, but it's a sign of a potential problem. In Qosifire, this delta is highlighted in yellow. If the delta is more than a second, this will probably cause a playback problem. In Qosifire, this delta is highlighted in red. As you can see, this allows conveniently debug your HLS stream. This feature works with all three containers of HLS supported by Qosifire, which are MPEG-TS, fragmented MP4, and audio-only MPEG-TS. Our team will keep adding more capabilities for streams debugging. Contact us if you'd like to see more of that in your product.